Tagalog questions using na. Nasaan na nga ba sila? Where are they really? Ano na kaya ang ginagawa niya? What is he or she doing? Kumakain na ba siya ngayon? Is he or she eating now? Paano na ang kanyang mga paninda? How is his or her goods? Nabili na ba? Is it sold already? Nasaan na kaya ang kasama niya? Where's his or her accompany? Paano na tayo makakauwi? How can we go home? Sinubukan mo na ba siyang tawagan? Did you try to call him or her? Nalaman niya na kaya? Did he or she already know? Nagkaroon ka na ba ng kaaway? Have you ever had an enemy? Mananahimik ka na lang ba? Will you stay quiet? Kakausapin mo na ba siya? Will you talk to him or her? Sino na kaya ang mananalo? Who will win? Umiwas na ba siya sa'yo? Has he or she avoided you? Hindi ko na ba siya makikita? Am I not going to see him or her again? Paano na ang kanyang trabaho? How is his or her work? Nagkita na ba kayo dati? Have you met before? Kinamusta mo na ba ako sa kanya? Have you greeted me with him or her? Naalala niya na ba ako? Does he or she already remember me? Kailangan niya na ba ako? Does he or she need me anymore? Bakit ayaw niya na sa'yo? Why he or she doesn't like you anymore? Sumusuko ka na ba? Are you giving up? Masama na ba siya sa paningin mo? Is he or she bad in your eyes? Gaano na kalaki ang alaga mo? How big is your pet? Papauwiin ka na ba nila? Will they send you home? Gaano na kalaki ang ipon mo? How much do you save? May naipon ka na ba? Have you saved anything? Nasaan na ang naipon mo? Where is your savings? Kinakabahan ka na ba? Are you getting nervous? Ano na ba ang gagawin mo? What will you do now? Tapos ka na ba? Are you done? Nandyan ka na ba? Are you already there? Sinubukan mo na ba? Have you tried?